We bought an electric bike.
So we took it out of the box, the bolt box that it came in. We took some of the parts out, which were separate, like the seat is separate. Most of the bike is all together. We have to assemble or move up the handlebar, it looks like. And then we have scissors to take off a lot of the wrapping. We already got the charger out, which was in a box of its own as well. We already charged the battery full. I think it says it takes maybe 2 to 4 hours to fully charge, and I know it took a few hours like that earlier today. We also have some pedals that we'll be putting on. I'll give those to you to put on after. We also have a fender, so a couple of accessories. And then we have a backlight, but we can do that last. I know there are a couple of tools that it came with as well. And we'll grab the instructions.
Okay. Take everything off.
Yeah. Do you want to start, or do you want me to
Do
do
you have
it?
the scissors?
I'm not sure if there's any instruction on putting the handle up. Probably. Putting the... Yeah, there are a couple.
There's a switch here. I turn it on.
And then it shows the battery level. Very
It's
cool.
full now.
Now, to turn the light on, there's a bright headlight. Hold this button for 4 seconds. Just hold it until the light turns on. And there you go. So now you have a headlight. You have it turned on, you have a full battery. And then now when you go, just go very slowly with the throttle at first, because it might go faster than you think sometimes.
Do you have to twist?
You twist it a little bit for the electric to be used.
Can
yeah.
I pedal too?
You can pedal as well, and you should keep your feet kind of on the pedal, and because you have sandals, keep the front of your flip-flops up.
Which way do I go?
To the right, but watch the speed bump. Are you having fun? Watch, there's a car. It's actually pretty bright. You can pedal or not pedal, hon. You can choose.
I just tested the engine.
It's got a weird kind of sound to it.
Now it's Joshua's turn. Go ahead. How far are you going? Come back.
does go fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You
it's
like
kinda
it?
fun. Yeah, I do. Do you?
Yeah. It's a little heavy though.
You have to carry it up the stairs, I think.
It's supposed to be portable.
Hmm.
Foldable and portable.